When you think of summer camp, you probably imagine spending time outdoors, but for some of the most talented young pianists in the country, it means a week here on the campus of SUNY Potsdam, where Crane School of Music held its first ever International Piano Festival. This summer, Crane School of Music opened its doors to musicians as young as 13 years old from across the country to take part in a week of practice and performance.
I thought that gathering young artists here and really being able to share and learn music together at Crane during summer would be a wonderful idea.
The festival offers students intensive training opportunities where they can hone their skills as musicians, as well as concerts and a final recital where cash prizes are awarded to the top 3 outstanding pianists. Crane professor and festival artistic director Young-Ah Tak believes that the school is the perfect environment to host a festival like this.
It's a great music school, wonderful music school where we can offer so much of this great facility. We are all Steinway school. And we have wonderful community, Potsdam community, that are very interested in this event and music and support it.
Crane's a great place to be. It's a very focused environment. All the equipment is top-notch for pianists.
Each student attends one-on-one private lessons as well as larger master classes where they perform their pieces on stage in front of their professors and their peers.
I think the audience being there, you already have that sense of nervousness, so it's almost like you're actually performing a piece in a concert. You can't get that in a private lesson.
It's a very different experience having people look at you, having the teacher direct the entire audience sometimes, getting some new insight. So it's not just from one person, it's from the, all the students, they can add something.
Better, yeah. So don't try to whenever you have a difficult spot, don't try to hope that next time it will be magically better. Analyze what's wrong. That's what practicing is. Diagnosing, analyzing, and next time making it better.
The big difference is that you're performing. In a private setting, you feel more free to be yourself expressively, and in a public setting when you're playing in front of people, you sort of close in a little bit. So I guess the big difference is that you're in front of people, so you have to deal with that pressure, and you have to deal with that criticism that the person you're doing the masterclass with is going to give you.
Everyone here is extremely gifted and extremely talented, but I think it's really cool that we can all share our passion for music and we can learn off of each other.
You got Juilliard people coming in, you got people from world-class universities coming in, and it's very intense 1 week, but you can learn a lot in 1 week if you actually practice.
Just listen to it, but it's piano. He writes piano, the crescendo starts.
I think we have a responsibility as a musician to nurture and encourage and teach the next generation to become the best musician they can be. And if I can contribute even just a little bit of what I have and really gladly share what I can offer, I think it's so meaningful.
Despite the long hours of hard work, the students say there's no place they would rather be.
We all share the same passion, we all talk about music, we all talk about our favorite composers. We play for each other and critique each other just as friends. It's pretty fun. It's fun in a way where you still feel like you're being productive with your time, which is even better.
I'm really thinking that piano is kind of where I really want to go into the future. It just really clicked with me, and being here is reassuring myself that this is definitely where I want to go in my future.